Limitations. Tracing the letters in the app can't compare to the experience of feeling the real sandpaper letters. In the app, making errors is a little more frustrating, and the child can easily and unceremoniously switch between activities in the app. There's no taking out and putting away the work, which is part of the experience in the classroom. There's no trained teacher to properly introduce the work or facilitate advancement. It can reduce interest in actual sandpaper letter usage, and it does require some adult supervision since the app can lock and it needs the adult to swipe it back open. Pros. It remains fairly true to the Montessori method if it were practiced in a virtual environment. It's pleasant, fun, and easy to use, and not too overstimulating. And it's possibly good for children who might be neuroatypical, differently abled, or cannot use actual sandpaper letters for whatever reason. Sandpaper letters are introduced after the sounds are mastered, typically between ages 3 and 4. I would use it in my home as an extension of real Montessori work after near mastery of the sandpaper letters, as a way to reinforce knowledge. It is not practical to use 2 fingers to trace in the app, as is done in the classroom, so I might recommend using a stylus.